trying to find a spot that I can do this. Hi guys. So Jenny and I came up with Break Free Friday. We wanted to make Friday a day where you can reflect and think about the different things that you did throughout your week to switch it up. If you're stuck and you don't know how you can break free, you can use our vlogs and our ideas as ways for you to break free during your week. This is a great transition. So this past week, what I did is I really took time to enjoy the great outdoors and spend time in nature. I did this by going on walks, doing yoga outside. Oh my gosh, it was so awesome. I even went on a bike ride, and as I was going on walks, I didn't even realize this was going to be my Break Free Friday, but as I was going on walks, I kept just like stopping at patches of flowers that were blooming in the grass or trees that were budding, and I was in awe because spring is so beautiful and it's finally here, and it just made me so happy. So I really made that a part of my week to just spend as much time outside as I can after being cooped up all winter. And then what I also did is I wrote down a little journal entry. Oh no, now you have my diary. So I wrote down a little bit about nature and what that means to me. I just use this journaling time as a moment to really think about what it is that I love about nature and why it feels so freeing to me.